In the nation's capital, the heart of American democracy, something unprecedented is unfolding. Federal law enforcement officers from more than 15 agencies are flooding D.C. streets, marked cars, tactical uniforms, coordinated patrols in parks, tourist sites, and neighborhoods. The mission? A high-profile crackdown on crime, ordered directly by President Donald Trump. Supporters call it a bold step to make the city safe. Critics warn it's an alarming expansion of federal power. It began Friday. The White House announced an intensified federal operation led by the U.S. Park Police. But this isn't just one agency at work. It's a coalition. U.S. Capitol Police, Metro Transit Police, DEA, FBI, ATF, Homeland Security, U.S. Marshals, and more. Their target zones, the National Mall and downtown museums, Rock Creek Park, Union Station, major parkways, and neighborhood gathering spaces. To understand why this matters, you have to understand D.C. S unique status. Unlike any other city, Washington, D.C. is carved into jurisdictions. Roughly 90% of its parks are federally controlled. The operation comes after high-profile incidents, including an unarmed carjacking attempt near Logan Circle. But here's the paradox. D.C. S overall crime rate is declining. Violent crime is down compared to recent years. Civil rights advocates are sounding the alarm. Scott Mickelman of the ACLU DC warns, when you inject entities with a different mission and different way of looking at the world, that can be a recipe for danger. He points to 2020, when federal officers used force to clear protesters from Lafayette Square. The fallout led to lawsuits and years of policy changes. Critics fear history could repeat itself. On Tuesday, Trump went further, threatening to fully federalize D.C. In practice, it could sideline the city's own government. For residents and advocates of home rule, it's a chilling possibility. Since 1973, D.C. has had limited self-government. Over the coming weeks, all eyes will be on how federal agencies coordinate with local police. The streets of D.C. have always reflected America's struggles and ideals. In 2025, they are once again at the center of a debate about freedom, security, and presidential power. The crackdown is here. The question is, what will be left when it's over?